Your vehicle still runs normally. There are no serious warning lights. But recently, fuel consumption has increased. The radiator cooling fan operates irregularly. Sometimes the engine cranks longer, or the engine runs unusually hot. Many people start replacing spark plugs, ignition coils, even fuel injectors. But the problem still does not go away. The truth is just one small sensor reading temperature incorrectly can cause the ECU to control the entire engine the wrong way. In this video, I will point out the 7 clearest signs that the coolant temperature sensor is failing, and why ignoring it can damage your engine without you even realizing it. The coolant temperature sensor, also known as the engine coolant temperature sensor, is mounted on the engine or in the coolant passage. Its job is to measure engine temperature through the coolant and send this data to the ECU. Based on this signal, the ECU will adjust fuel injection when the engine is cold or fully warmed up, control idle operation so the engine runs smoothly, control the cooling fan on most modern vehicles, optimize cold starts, and reduce fuel consumption. In other words, the ECU depends heavily on this sensor. If the ECT reads incorrectly, the entire control process that follows will also be incorrect, even if all other components are still in good condition. Because it operates in a high temperature and harsh environment, the ECT gradually degrades over time, most commonly due to continuous high temperatures causing internal components to age, mineral deposits from low-quality coolant, brittle or oxidized wiring and connectors, signal open circuits or short circuits, improper removal or installation during repairs. Important to remember. The ECT rarely fails suddenly. Instead, it slowly becomes inaccurate over time until the vehicle starts consuming more fuel, overheating, or running unstably. Below are the 7 most common and dangerous signs that the coolant temperature sensor ECT is having problems. The scary part is that many of these symptoms are easily mistaken for other faults, causing you to repair the wrong area and waste money. Engine overheating with no clear warning. In some cases, incorrect ECT readings prevent the ECU from activating the cooling fan at the correct time. The driver only notices when the temperature gauge rises high or the vehicle feels sluggish. Prolonged overheating can warp the cylinder head, damage the head gasket, and lead to very high repair costs. Radiator cooling fan operates abnormally. A faulty ECT causes the ECU to misjudge the actual engine temperature. The result can be the cooling fan runs continuously, even when the engine is still cold, or the fan does not run, even though the engine is already hot. Both situations are dangerous because they increase fuel consumption, drain electrical power, or lead to silent overheating. Increased fuel consumption, black smoke, raw fuel smell. When the ECT falsely reports that the engine is cold, the ECU increases fuel injection. This causes the engine to run rich, leading to noticeably higher fuel consumption, black smoke from the exhaust, a strong and unpleasant fuel smell. Check engine light turns on. When the ECT sends abnormal or unrealistic temperature signals, the ECU stores a fault and turns on the check engine light. In many cases, the vehicle still runs normally, so the driver ignores it, but in reality, the ECU is no longer receiving accurate data from the sensor. Long cranking and hard starting, especially in the morning. Cold starting is the phase where the ECU depends on the ECT the most. When temperature data is incorrect, the air-fuel ratio becomes incorrect. The engine cranks longer, is hard to start, and sometimes requires multiple attempts. Rough idle stalling misfires. Prolonged rich fueling can wet the spark plugs, weakening combustion. The result is rough idle, engine misfires, or sudden stalling. These symptoms are easily mistaken for spark plug, ignition coil, or fuel injector problems. Incorrect temperature gauge readings, a very easy sign to observe visually. The vehicle has been driven for a long time and the engine is hot, but the temperature gauge still shows cold or fluctuates abnormally. The cause may be a faulty ECT sensor or broken signal wiring, but regardless of the reason, the ECU is no longer receiving correct data. The most dangerous point. A failed ECT sensor usually does not cause the vehicle to stop immediately. Instead, it causes the engine to operate incorrectly over time, until the consequences become serious. Why a faulty ECT sensor can damage your engine. The ECT sensor does not directly damage the engine, but it causes the ECU to control the entire system incorrectly. When temperature data is inaccurate, the ECU will inject the wrong amount of fuel over a long period, either too rich or too lean. Control the cooling fan at the wrong time. Operate the engine continuously in a non-optimal condition. The long-term consequences are increased fuel consumption over time, while the driver does not realize the real cause. Repeated engine overheating without clear warning. Faster wear of internal engine components due to incorrect temperature and air-fuel mixture. Catalytic converter damage caused by rich fuel injection. The most dangerous part is, the vehicle still runs, so the driver continues using it while the engine is being worn down day by day without realizing it. Stop. Do not rush to replace parts. When your vehicle starts using more fuel, has rough, idle, long cranking, or abnormal overheating, many people react blindly, like throwing darts with their eyes covered. Replace spark plugs, replace ignition coils, replace fuel injectors. The more parts they replace, the more money they spend. But the problem is still there. The issue is here. The ECU is like the brain of the engine, and the ECT sensor is the thermometer for that brain. If that thermometer gives the wrong reading, the brain will make every decision incorrectly, even though the heart, lungs, and muscles of the engine are still healthy. Therefore, stop one step earlier. Before replacing any expensive components, you should check the coolant temperature sensor. Compare the temperature shown on the diagnostic scanner when the engine is cold and when the engine is hot. Confirm whether the ECU is seeing the real temperature correctly. In many cases, fixing just one incorrect gauge brings the entire system back to normal without replacing anything else. The coolant temperature sensor is a very small component, but it plays a critical role in how the ECU controls the engine. When this sensor reads incorrectly, the vehicle may still run, but it is running the wrong way, using more fuel, running hotter, and wearing faster every day. The most important thing to remember is, do not rush to replace parts before understanding the real cause. In many cases, simply checking and correctly addressing the ECT sensor can restore proper operation without expensive repairs. If your vehicle is experiencing one or more of the symptoms mentioned in this video, check the coolant temperature sensor first. And if you want to avoid unnecessary costly mistakes, follow the channel to watch more technical videos that help you fix the right problem and save money.